Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Carol the Diva. Today I'm gonna be doing some box braiding my hair. Ooh, I'm excited about this one. I know it has been a long time since I've done like some small cute box braids, so today is the day. But before I start, I'm gonna go ahead and blow my hair out, and the way I have it parted already, I'm gonna keep it that way just so it'll be easier when I start braiding my hair. To blow my hair out, I'm going to be using this blow dryer, and a lot of you guys have been asking about it, so I'm going to show it to you today. It is from Revlon and I found it on Amazon. I forgot what the price was, but I'll definitely link it down below so you guys could go get one if you want. I actually really like using this dryer to blow out my hair and my daughter's hair. It is so easy to use and so effortless. I'm gonna do 2 large braids in the front just to get all this hair out my way until I get to this section. Before I start, I add some jam on the back of my hair just to get all my hair in line and all smooth and ready for braiding. I then make one straight parting going across, and this is how I usually get my partings so nice and straight. This is the hair I'll be using today. This is the Model 3X Glance Formation braid. I started off with 4 packs, but I'll let you guys know towards the end of the video how many packs I use. The length is 30 inches, and as for the color, check the screen for the color. I'm going to be doing this first section in 4, so I'm parting off the first one accordingly. This is how I hold my braids to start braiding my hair, so watch carefully as I demonstrate for you guys. I place my pointing and middle finger in between 2 of the braids, and then the extra piece of braid I bring it over in between my pointing and middle finger, and that's how I hold the hair before I start braiding. To start my braid off, I grab most of my natural hair using my right hand, and as I go along, I use my pointing fingers to separate the hair as I braid. This way I get pieces of my natural hair into the sections with the synthetic hair. I then keep plaiting it just like this until I get it far enough off my scalp. And I'm going slow enough here just so you guys could actually see what I'm doing. Don't worry if you mess up the first time. You could always take it out and try again, because let me tell you, it's not always gonna be perfect on the first try. Now that I got it far enough off my scalp, this is when I move my hand around in front of me to continue the braiding process, and this will make it easier to finish it off. Now moving on to the second one, and I already have the hair separated, and that's what I'm picking up each time you see me lean over to the front. This way I'll know exactly the amount that I need to use for each one of them. Again, to start the braids, I grab most of my natural hair in the hand with the synthetic hair, and as I go along, this is when I use my fingers to separate my natural hair into the braiding hair. I then continue to braid the hair down to a comfortable length before I switch angle and finish it off. I must point out that while I'm braiding my hair, I use jam to blend my natural hair in with the synthetic hair, and this is how I prevent my hair from sticking out through the synthetic. So if you have watched my braiding videos before, you know that I don't braid my hair all the way to the end on the first go. I put them all in and then afterwards I go back and finish the ends. Again, I'm showing you guys one last time how I prepare the hair for braiding. And if you watch closely, you'll see exactly how I'm moving my fingers to do the braids. Before I part my hair, I add jam onto the back of my hair and then I slide my comb one go all the way across, and that's how I get the nice straight and clean parting. After parting my hair, I added jam once again, and this will help to make my hair nice and smooth and blend very well with the synthetic hair. At this point guys, I'm just gonna braid a few more in the back on camera before moving on to the second half in the front. Again, I'm adding some jam onto the side of my hair before I part it, and this is gonna make my parting come out nice and proper, if you know what I mean. So this first section, I'm gonna go ahead and do it in two. If I do it in three, it's gonna be too small, and if I do it in one, it's gonna be too big. So two is the perfect size. There you can see me adding the jam while I braid my hair, and like I said before, this will help my natural hair to blend in with the synthetic hair. Just so y'all know, if you're new to doing your hair, it is gonna be challenging. It's not gonna be the easiest thing you've ever done, and it's also not gonna be the hardest thing you have ever done. Even I, who knows how to braid my hair so well, and you see me doing it like I'm so perfect, I make a lot of mistakes when I'm doing it, and sometimes when I mess up, I have to take the braid back out and restart again. but I'm doing it on camera, so of course it's gonna look perfect. But let me tell you, if you ever want to learn to braid your hair, don't get frustrated. Just keep trying and it will eventually happen for you. And a lot of people who watch my video, they keep commenting that because of me, they know how to braid their hair. So what I'm saying must be true then. And the more you practice, the better you're gonna get at it, believe me. And if you have been trying in your own hair and you can't get it, try doing it in somebody else's hair or on a mannequin if you don't have anybody else to practice on. And then you try in your own hair again and see the big difference. Oh, by the way, if you guys would like to see me do one-on-one classes, let me know down in the comment box below, and I will definitely set that up for people who still cannot get it. And here I'm completing the last and final one. I cannot tell you guys how good it feels right now to get to this far. So now all I have to do is finish off the ends, and usually I go lay in my bed, watch a TV show or a movie while I finish it off. It took me a total of 8 hours and 3 packs of hair to complete this look. And it was worth every minute spent on it. And here's the finished look, you guys. I absolutely love it. The color is amazing and it has just the right amount of hair in it. It's not too heavy. That's amazing too. I was having so much fun with it, I couldn't help myself. It's definitely the color for me, and I was so lucky to find this really cute t-shirt that goes well with it. I want to know what you guys think. Would you try this color? Because it is so beautiful. And the thing about box braid is you can definitely switch the style up however you want. And you guys know me, I'm gonna be putting all different styles in my hair when I have my box braids. I definitely had so much fun doing these braids and wearing them too. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Leave them down in the comments section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Have a happy New Year's, you guys. I love you all so much and I'm looking forward to see each and every one of you in 2021. If this is your first time on my channel, please go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post new content. I would most definitely appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.